What's up, viewers? It is PowerBlastX here, back with another video, and today I'm going to try getting Windows 3.1 on modern hardware. I have two computers I'll attempt in this video, starting with the Latitude 5500, which has Intel 8th Gen CPU, 16GB of RAM, nvme storage, USB 3.1, and uefi class 3. If it fails, then I'll switch to this Optiplex 9020, which has 4th Gen Intel, 8GB of RAM, SATA, and uefi class 2. Previously, I got Windows XP installed on the Latitude after many attempts, so that's cool. But now, I'll download a Windows 3.1 ISO off archive, make a FreeDOS USB drive using Rufus, copy over the files for the 3.1 setup, and make the EFI boot structure, and drop CSMWrap there, which is a legacy CBIOS Embryo layer for UEFI systems. And now I'll go to the boot menu, select my USB drive, boot FreeDOS from the CSMWrap boot menu, and FreeDOS actually boots up fine. So after typing setup, it's just a black screen. Yeah, just like XP setup, it's not able to render that MS-DOS blue screen setup screen. But then I found this pre-made Windows 3.1 image, which means I could just bypass the setup entirely. So I downloaded it, put it on the USB drive, and after trying to type CD Windows and then Win to start, I got this VGA error. Yeah, this is not looking good. So after doing tons of research, I discovered this flag, Win/S. /S disables 386 enhanced mode, so hopefully that will maybe make it work, but after trying that, it's still the same exact VGA error, so it's safe to say that this Latitude is just way too new for 3.1. I was not able to find any custom drivers for this, so now introducing the Dell Optiplex 9020. It is 5 years older than the Latitude, and we are now on Intel 4th Gen. Going to the BIOS, as you can see, this PC does have a legacy CSM mode, so I don't even need CSMWrap anymore. I could just use a stock boot menu to boot legacy. And after typing setup, it boots up. The blue screen setup actually works, and it's able to install fine to the own USB drive. And after it's copying all the files, the full GUI transition worked, and the mouse and keyboard surprisingly worked. After it finished, I returned to MS-DOS, typed Win, and the boot screen appears. But there's one problem. No matter how long I wait, it's just frozen. So I rebooted. Now here's a fun fact. Windows 3.1 is actually not its own operating system. It's just a shell on top of MS-DOS. Okay, I'm gonna type Win/S to maybe disable that enhanced mode. Hopefully it will help. Yo, no way. Does the mouse work? Yo, the mouse works. Dude, this is insane. It actually worked, guys. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Windows 3.1 on an Optiplex 9020. Keep in mind, 3.1 was released back in 1992, while the Optiplex was released in like 2014. So even though we had to go with the older PC, it's still insane that this works. So, but yeah. Dude, the mouse works too. I didn't expect the mouse and keyboard to work. Wow, this is just beautiful, dude. Oh my god. Program Manager. Help about Windows 3.11. Amazing. File Manager. This just shows my USB drive. BMPs is able to show that. Okay, that's nice. There is no enhanced mode though. That's why everything looks more flat instead of like detailed. Obviously because of the /S switch. Color. Windows default. What colors can go there? Arizona. Ooh, that looks awesome. Arizona. Black leather jacket. Bordeaux. I don't know how to pronounce that. I'm trying to be fancy here. Cinnamon. Designer. Emerald City. Fluorescent hot dog stand. Default. LCD reversed. Monochrome, I don't want that. I want pastel, patchwork, Plasma Power Saver, Rugby. The Blues, Tweed, Valentine, Wingtips. Honestly, I think I like black leather jacket. This looks awesome. That looks insane. Okay, fonts, standard fonts. I'm gonna explore this OS a lot, man. Ports, there's the serial ports. Mouse does work fine. Desktop. Oh, wallpaper. 256 color. That looks insane. Where's rivets at? I want rivets. Rivets. Oh yeah, that looks amazing. That looks amazing. Keyboard test. Be sure to subscribe to PowerPlus Techs. Alright. Keyboard works. Printers not gonna show nothing. International. United States. The date and time is actually correct too. That's nice. Yeah, it's able to grab my date and time perfectly fine. From here, obviously. Drivers. Nothing there. Sound isn't working, unfortunately, but who cares at this point? It's insane it even works. Close. Wow, I gotta get a good picture here. Oh my gosh. Program Manager. Okay. MS-DOS prompt. Oh, okay, it's just gonna bring me to DOS. Did I just break it? I think I just broke it. Okay, it's back in Windows and nice. I actually saved my custom settings as well. Okay. Now opening this up again. Okay, what's in accessories now? Right. That's what right looks like. Close out of that. Paintbrush. Amazing. Paint works. Typed in hello. All the colors. Notepad. Notepad actually still looks the same to this day in Windows 11. That's amazing. I've used the legacy version of it. Recorder. There's nothing for here. Card file. Iconic. Calendar. Calculator. Does it work? 5 times 2. 10. Amazing. Clock. Change between analog or digital. Ooh, media player. Okay. Oh, now I'm gonna let me start it because there's no like sound drivers. Games. Solitaire. Very good. I'm just the best at solitaire, everyone, by the way, if you were wondering. There's no reversing. I think reversing is only for like 3.0 and below, right? I don't think reversing was in 3.1, but there is Minesweeper at least. There's nothing in startup, but what's in options? Auto range, file. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Okay, guys, hope you all enjoyed watching this video. It was a success. Well, half of success could not get it on the Latitude, but did get it on the Optiplex. It was actually very easy. I just needed DOS and 3.1 and just type the win/s, and then it was easy. But yeah, guys, thank y'all so much for watching this video. Be sure to like, comment, check out my XP video if you haven't, and check out these 2 videos that's gonna come up in a little bit for more of these modern hardware videos. But other than that, guys, hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Be sure to like, comment, give me some more video ideas in the comments about what I should do next. But until then, guys, peace out.